My name's Hannah Clark and I work for Groundwork North Wales. We deliver projects that are based around people, place and planet, providing training and volunteering opportunities to help people get back into work. We have supported over 3,000 people into training courses, over 4,000 people back into education or employment. We have also helped people save over £50,000 on energy bills and saved over 200 tonnes from landfill.
Woodshed's been going for about 5 or 6 years now. We have sort of commissions to make items for people in the public, or not too long ago we were making raised bed planters for Flint railway station. But it's all kind of led by the guys who attend the woodshed. They're like a little close-knit family really, but when you do give them some tasks and they see that meaning and that purpose, it puts a smile on their face.